Cyberlink is a talking clock with an alarm clock. You could change the date, the month, the year, and set the alarm in order. We're going to show you how to set up what this clock's about. We have set the clock up. We're given 3 AAA batteries, and we're going to replace the batteries. They go into the back of the clock, and when you put in the last battery, the clock will say because you're pushing on the button. The 2 notches go to the top by the speaker and locked into place.
The time is 9:21 a.m.
We're going to set the clock to default, and we're going to show you how to set up. A close-up look at the back. You notice a large speaker, the battery door, the alarm switch, the volume, triangle up and down, and a rectangle. Those are your settings and your changing of the time and the date, the year, month, and alarm. When we hold our clock around the red button, we're going to hit the rectangle.
Set hour.
If we do not hit anything for 5 seconds, it sets back. We can increase and decrease the volume by hearing the alarm status. So let's set up the time. It is 9:25.
Set hour. 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, 8 a.m. 9 a.m. Set minute. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Set year. 24. Set month. August, September. Set date. 8, 9, 10. Set alarm. 8 a.m. 9 a.m. Set alarm. Minute. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
And we're going to hit the alarm. The alarm is in the on position.
9:28 a.m. Alarm on.
At 9:28, the alarm will go on. It'll give a beep. Depending on the volume you set, it will activate. So right now, we're going to hit the time.
The time is 9:26 a.m. The date is September 10th, Tuesday, 24.
And that is how you listen to the time and the date. And then it'd be back to the...
The time is 9:26 a.m.
In about 2 minutes' time, the alarm will go off. If you're looking for a talking clock, alarm clock, a nice large 5-inch diameter, very easy to press to shut off the alarm to recycle the next day at the same time. It has a volume, very easy to set up, and is skid proof on a table with the rubber feet, as the alarm is ready to go off. So if you're looking for a talking alarm clock that you could put by your side, and when you need to press it and listen to the time without looking at your watch or a wall, this product may be something that you are looking for. As the alarm is going off, it is nice and low, that you can make it nice and loud, and all you gotta do is hit the button to stop it. It's a separate volume from the talking clock, so when you set up, make sure you set the volume correctly. I hope this is a product that you are looking for in your clocking needs. Thank you for viewing.